self-care routine is a good skincare routine. This video is sponsored by Banish. I've actually been using this tool right here for such a long time. I remember being in college and having such bad skin. I had the worst hyperpigmentation, and I googled what's the best way to get rid of hyperpigmentation. A lot of articles are saying microneedling is one of the most effective ways to get rid of hyperpigmentation. As a college student, it was too expensive for me to go to a dermatologist every week to a month to get microneedling. So I came across Banish. So basically this is one of the safest at-home microneedling devices. Very minimally invasive procedure for your skin. This device has super tiny needles, and after I do my mask, I'm pretty much gonna like poke it into my skin. It's gonna make super tiny holes in my skin. My body's gonna think I have like an injury all over my face, and it's gonna stimulate a healing process. So that's gonna produce collagen, it's gonna produce elastin. It decreases hyperpigmentation, helps with fine lines and wrinkles. First, I'm gonna start off with the pumpkin enzyme mask. I'm gonna apply this mask and leave it on for like 10-15 minutes. I love how my skin feels after, and it gives me like a little glow. The star of the show. All right, so right now I have it sitting in some alcohol. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to fill the lid with alcohol and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, just kind of like let it dry a little bit, you know. This is like 91% alcohol, so it's gonna dry like super quick. I'm gonna go ahead and literally stamp this all over my face. So it doesn't hurt at all. It literally just feels like little tiny pricks, literally. Some areas may be a little bit more sensitive than others. When I tell you guys, I freaking love this thing. Like, you guys should have seen my skin before. So throughout the years, I've tried so many different like skin remedies and things like that for my acne, and there will be times where I would stop doing this. I mean, I'm human. Sometimes I fall out of my routine, and I try my best to not fall out of my routine, but when I fall out of my routine with this, like, my skin never likes it. Like, my skin loves this device, and when I stop, it hates me. If I have any active pimples, I will skip that area because I don't want to like poke it and like spread it throughout my entire face. I have some discoloration right here from when I used to wear wigs, so I make sure I hit this area really well. All right, so I microneedled my entire face. I'm gonna go ahead and put the vanisher back in and let it sit for like another 5-10 minutes. Next, I'm gonna go in with Banish's Vitamin C Cream. Now I'm gonna go in with Banish's Fighter Gel. This actually helps to calm breakouts. I'm only going to apply this where I break out more, which is like around my cheeks. And lately my forehead, I'm pretty sure it's because like I have a side part now, but I'm telling you, if you suffer from really bad hyperpigmentation or fine lines, wrinkles, loose skin, if you just get the Banisher, you're good. You're golden, you're perfect. Like, this thing right here is a literal magic. Banish offers other products that are supplemental, so I would go through their site and choose the products that work best for you. Currently, I'm using these 3 products, and they've been treating my skin pretty well so far, but this right here saved my skin. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in my description for these products. Thank you so much, Banish, for sponsoring this video.
One thing I recently started implementing into my self-care routine is getting my hair done. I gave up wigs, I'm getting sew-ins now, and I have to go to a hairdresser to get that done. I've also been dyeing my hair jet black. Y'all, jet black is elite on dark skin. I love it. I have a tutorial on my TikTok and Instagram on how I did it, but I also got hair from Sunkissed Hair Co. Raw virgin hair. I love it. This is the before and after of when I dyed it jet black. And yeah, just invest in good quality hair and get your hair done. Make sure your hair is well taken care of, and you're just gonna feel so pretty. Like, you're gonna wake up feeling so pretty because your hair's done. It's gonna make the getting ready process super quick and easy. Like, look, so good. Another thing I recently started doing is getting my nails done. You guys know I do my own nails typically. I actually know how to do my own nails very well, actually. But it would take me hours and hours to do. So I recently just decided to let it go and let somebody else do it for me, because a professional, they can literally do it within 45 to 2 hours rather than me sitting in a chair for 4 to 8 hours doing my own nails. It's like, yeah, you saved a bit of money, but time is money. I was wasting a lot of time doing my own nails. You guys know I love my nails super, super long, and I have my moods when I want to do simple or glam. And this time around, I was feeling a bit of glam, and I love it. It just makes me feel so pretty and put together. One thing about me, I hate chipped nail polish. I hate broken nails. You will not catch me with it. Get your nails done, okay? It just makes a difference. You look overall put together and cleaner when your nails are done.
Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mind that's you be talk, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo.
So I've officially broken out of the habit of staying in my pajamas all day. I feel like if you put some clothes on, at least some cute clothes, it will help you get your day going rather than sitting in bed all day. But I just put some clothes on. I like to bring some light into my house. It always brightens up my mood. And I go ahead and make my bed. It just makes me feel more put together when my bed is made. It makes me feel like I have like a sense of accomplishment. Most mornings, I'll also throw in a load of laundry. I don't care how small it is. I try my best to do a load of laundry every day, because knowing me, I will wait until I have 70 pieces of clothes that I have to wash and fold. I'd prefer to fold 5 pieces of clothes. But I always prioritize hydration. Hydrate your bodies, guys. It helps your skin, it helps your hair, nails, everything. And today I decided to do a hot girl walk. So I went on a walk down the walking trail that my apartment has. Guys, take advantage of your apartment amenities. Like, you pay for it. Take advantage. But I just am prioritizing moving my body more often. I need to get back into the gym, but I do have some fat that I want to lose. So I'm starting off by like at least doing 5,000 to 10,000 steps a day. I'm so blessed to be able to live by water. You guys know I grew up on the coast, and I no longer live on the coast. I live inland, but I'm blessed to at least live by a lake. So I like coming out on the dock and just chilling, you know.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the lake, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe.
One routine that's easy for me to stick by is my shower routine. I mean, I do this 1 to 2 times a day, but I make sure I use an exfoliating glove all the time. And I also use this Olay retinol body wash. When I tell you guys, I swear by this body wash. I only use it at night because it's retinol, but I had the worst chest and back acne, and I promise you, I'm pretty sure this is what helped me get rid of it. Mind you, it does not work overnight. Like, it's something that I just kept using, and I noticed progress after a few months. Then I like to go in with a scrub. I do this like 2-3 times a week. I'm using this tropical mango one. I got it from Walmart. I don't have a scrub that I kind of like love. I just try new fragrances like every time I go to Walmart. Anytime I run out, I just try a new one. So if you have glass shower doors, if you squeegee it after every shower, you won't get hard water stains. Right after my shower, I go in with this Ambi toner. I spray it all over my chest, my arms, my back. I promise you, I also think this has also contributed to my back and chest acne going away. I've only done this and the Olay. Then I go in with my Dr. Teal Shea Butter Oil. I do it all over my chest and back, only shea butter, no coconut oil. Then I go in with this Creative Kitty that I got from my esthetician, and I use it down there because it helps with ingrown hairs. And then I go in with some amylactin under my armpits. It helps keep my skin super soft, and it helps me with hyperpigmentation under my armpits. And then I go in with this cocoa butter, and I put it all over my body. My routine changes every night, and this isn't like all I do. This is just a super brief overview. So if you guys want a video strictly on my shower routine, let me know, and I can make it happen.
My self-care routine is very important to me, but like I had mentioned before, I'm human. Sometimes I do fall off of my routine, but I do implement other things into my routine that kind of helps me make my self-care routine a little bit more low maintenance, if that makes sense. So if I were to miss a self-care day or week or month, it's not like the end of the world for me. So one thing that I have been doing is getting Botox. I love it. I've only gotten it once, but I love Botox. I think I'm addicted. I'm not gonna lie. It gives me this like lift, and it just makes me feel and look more youthful. Another thing is I have my eyebrows micro shaded, so this also helps me to get ready quicker in the morning. I also get laser hair removal and Brazilian waxes once a month. So far for laser hair removal, I've gotten my armpits and my legs. My armpits, I'm complete. So far I've gotten like, I think 8 treatments, and my legs, I'm on my 4th treatment. I love it. I don't have to shave. It's amazing. I still have like a razor because I still shave my arms. My esthetician told me like don't get my arms lasered. I forgot why. Yeah, I can't remember the reasoning, but she said keep hair somewhere. Like don't like get like laser all of your hair throughout your entire body. So I was like, you know, the arms are super low maintenance. It doesn't grow like that quickly. I feel like I shave my arms like at least once every 2 weeks. So, you know, I also get Brazilian waxes once a month. I am very consistent with that because I notice that when I fall off, it's more painful the next time around I go. Okay, one thing I will say about Brazilian wax, it is not a walk in the park. Okay, it is not something that feels good. I don't think it's ever gonna feel good. That's why I'm considering permanently removing the hair from my vagina. I also do things to my hair every night so that I can wake up and not have to spend so much time on my hair. So I know you guys saw earlier in the video that I have like this waver thing that I put in my hair. It just like, it's like a heatless curler that I put in my hair. If you guys want a tutorial on that, I can link it below. I have it on my Instagram and my TikTok, and I did kind of like an in-depth of that. That's why I didn't really go in-depth here. But if you guys want me to go in-depth here, I can. And last but certainly not least, I always try to make sure I take care of myself spiritually. I always find time to prioritize God. Like, you know, I always find time. I go to church every Sunday. If I have to miss a Sunday, I just make sure I double up on my Bible study for that week. I grew up in a Roman Catholic household, and it kind of traumatized me a little bit. So I will say, like, throughout my late teens and early 20s, I kind of had battles with my faith. I was kind of on and off, but now I am on. I actually recently got baptized, and it was like the best decision of my life. I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I just understand myself a little better. Like I just feel like, I don't know. I can't articulate the feelings. I can't put them into words, but when I tell you guys, I highly recommend that you really take a deep dive into your faith. It will really help you navigate throughout your life, and it will help you answer a lot of like unanswered questions. And I'm still a work in progress. Like I am still learning a lot about my faith and a lot about God and the Bible, the Word, myself. But so far, like where I'm at, I'm so excited for the future. Like I'm eager to dive deeper into my faith, and I feel like it's just overall changed my perspective of the world, my perspective of just everything. And I just feel just more lighter and just, I don't know, I can't describe it. I just love it, you know? Thank you, God. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, thank you, Banish, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for saving my skin. I'll see you guys in my next one.